back in action. We back in the action, boys. At a stoplight right now. Another name brand vlog, actually. Now, I got a few things I want to do with you guys today. However, legend has it that cameraman Adam's parents are gone for a full week. AKA his cock of a dad's not home. AKA name brand can finally get back at his cock of a dad. Now, if you guys are new to the situation, cameraman Adam's dad hates me and never lets me in the house. He like tries to physically assault me whenever I go there. And he's just overall an asshole. So I kind of want to go there today and tell Adam that we're filming a video. However, I just kind of want to fuck with his dad as much as I can while I'm there and he's not home. But of course, notification squad, where you at? I appreciate y'all, man. YouTube's been effing up every single sub box lately, so notification squad, do it. Y'all might call me childish with situations like this, and I have been, I'm not gonna lie, with a lot of videos like in Adam's house. However, you guys don't know how he is to me. He's always like, not even my whole life, for the past like 4 years while I've been on YouTube, he's always just bullied the shit out of me. And honestly, if I can get back at him while feeling awesome about that and give you guys some funny content, I'm only gonna do so. And we here, sweet payback, baby. It's not a lot of times where I get to have this in life. The hell are you wearing? The hell are you?
Watch on yourself.
Legend's true, I see it.
What legend?
Parents are gone. Underwear boy.
What does it look like? What did you have you naked?
You look like a mess right now.
Here, give me this. Give me this. Actually, hold on a sec.
What?
What are these? What are you wearing? What on earth? Those are just god awful.
No, they're not. They're kind of cool.
They're terrible.
What do you mean? You have to do it to today's video.
Yeah, that doesn't mean you should be wearing them.
They're kind of sick, man.
No, and I actually think you've been getting bullied for this. You're changing. It's not a showcase. I'm mocking you. Don't be proud of this.
It comes with a remote, man.
Don't be proud of those. And only one of them's on.
Yeah,
the other one's battery fried. I can only imagine.
Charge the other one. Did Sarah tell you about those fucking kids?
Yeah, I got a snap story.
Boys kid.
I got a damn Snapchat. Yeah.
Dude, I walked outside in these the other day. I was just gonna go to the gas station. I wanted to try them on. This fat fucking retard on his lunch break at school was like, "Oh, what are those, faggot?" Dude was like Tourette's out or something. He looked like a fat blind albino. So, how long are your parents gone till? 10 days. 10 days, eh? First things first, boys. His dad's got some fetish for fucking plants. What do you gotta say when they have bites out of all of them?
Ready to start?
Is the camera on? I want to show them a quick trick. Have you seen this trick yet?
What is it?
Did your dad buy this? Let it go! Let it go!
Dude, okay, stop it. I have to clean this up. They're gone. He's not gonna see this even.
I didn't even think about that. I'm sorry.
Like, are we even gonna do a video today, or is this all that you came here to do?
I'll roll it up. I'm sorry. I didn't think about that part.
Yeah.
I'm sorry about that. I didn't think about how my messes are gonna affect you.
I don't think you think
Can
about
you
that
at least
often.
help me a little bit, man? Like, we got accustomed today, but I also want to give them, like, some sort of cool...
You came into my house when I'm hungover and it's just been so obnoxious. I'm not helping.
The boys have been wanting it for a long time.
I think it's cowardly. I'm not gonna help you with it. Just don't do anything crazy.
No, but I'm gonna hit him up. Next time he's here, I'm literally gonna talk to him.
That's not true.
I'm gonna talk to him.
Awesome.
At least your dad's, did he buy the TV?
Did he buy the remotes? Yeah, he bought the TV. What?
Fucking asshole.
Why?
Why not? Adam, is this your dad's cat?
Come on.
No, it was a goof. We go too hard, boy. That'd be funny. Alright, so I told him in the car I'm gonna get a little bit of payback on your dad today. Just a bit though, I'm gonna take it easy, but I kinda wanna do it a little bit.
Okay.
Alright. Thank you. Alright, boys, back in action. We're back in the action. We actually do have a video today. I got a little sidetracked. My emotions took over as usual. We got a dope little sneaker plus.
Hold on. I'm on your side with this. Like, I think we should get my dad back. I just want you to think about it a little bit, you know?
Yeah, no, I get that.
Do it properly. And actually, in honor of it, I brought this down for you. It's my dad's favorite mug.
Okay.
You take that.
What?
Take it.
Take it?
Yeah.
Like, is he really?
Maybe, yeah, we'll drive crazy for weeks if you're wondering where it is. And maybe we'll give it back to him as a birthday present or something. I don't know. It's up to you.
Maybe I'll have to, like, do something crazy to get it back.
Yeah, it's up to you.
Really?
Yeah.
Holy crap, boys. Adam's on our side. This is going to be an exciting week. Anyway,
yeah.
We do have a dope video today, man. And of course, y'all know we in the mother effing layer again. I like that camera work. Honestly, I would call this the best fake market in Canada, to be honest.
The best what?
Fake market. We've come up with probably the best creations we've ever done down here.
Oh, yeah.
Millions and millions
Definitely.
of views down here. This is great. And we don't have to be quiet. Dope.
No. Yell.
Pussy!
Nice.
Cats! Shit! Alright boys, so as y'all saw earlier, because Adam made fun of them, we have the Supreme Nike AIRMAGs right here. This is a custom we got off like, what, iOffer or something like that. And first, actually, I do want to say, Yeezy Killer by Name Brand merch is down below if you guys want to purchase the merch. The first 2 people to purchase the merch when I post this video are going to maybe get like an extra shirt, piece of Supreme, I'm not sure. It's going to be a little giveaway for y'all. How do you think it looks?
Looks really good, man.
I got one for you too. So Yeezy Killer by Name Brand, different designs down below. However, I thought these were really dope until a lot of people started heckling me on them. And I thought, you know what, man, if I can't just wear them without people making fun of me for them, we may as well make a dope custom out of them. So without further ado, boys, we're making the Nike AIRMAG Supreme Gucci slides.
Damn, that's a long name. Right? I like it.
I think it's gonna be really, really sick. Is this your dad's guitar?
Hey, no. I play with that sometimes. Stop it. It's also really expensive. That'll come out of my tuition.
Okay. But before we get into the shenanigans, Adam, could I grab you to, or could I ask you to get water?
Yeah, you can get some water. Yeah, cool.
You.
Ice water?
No, just regular.
Okay.
A few moments later.
What are you doing?
Your cat shit down here. Your cat shit.
Did you just put that there?
No, your cat shit down here.
You have a bag full of cat shit.
No, I don't.
Dude.
I didn't. Adam, I swear to God to you, man.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Is that your case or your dad's?
I like it. It's my dad's, yeah.
Yeah, I did it. You like that?
Oh, that's so gross.
I told you, boys.
You should have just let me in on it. I would have been in.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, it's really disgusting.
No, my heart's beating.
Oh.
That's a good prank, eh?
Yeah, good goof.
I don't even have a cat. That took me a long time to get. Oh, wow, this is gonna be a biatch to cut.
Yeah.
Alright, boys, so what we're gonna do first for this custom is just gonna cut all of this around, all like this red part off of it, so we just have this cool looking sole after all of it. So if you guys don't have AIRMAGs, just get fake ones. I don't promote buying fakes, but if you want to make a dope custom, get some fake AIRMAGs. We just start cutting. Cue the time lapse. Holy Wonka bar, is this hard? This isn't gonna work.
No.
This is not gonna work.
Should have brought a hot knife.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Alright, we good, boys. It's always the hard part starting it off, you know, like lubing up a girl at the bar before you like take her home or something like that.
You lube girls up before you take them home? Like you'll pour lube down their shirt at the bar?
Well, they don't know I do it. Too many crickets!
Jesus.
Sorry, I got into that whole yelling thing without anyone being home.
Alright, so while Brandon's doing that, I want to show you guys the kind of voicemails I get when I don't answer the phone or don't call him back in like 2 minutes.
What do you mean?
Here, listen to this.
Hey man, I literally found a bear in my house this morning. I need to talk to you about it. Just give me a call back ASAP.
Did you think I'd believe that?
I would.
That's ridiculous. And this is at like 10 in the morning.
Yeah, you didn't
I
call
wasn't
me
even
back.
awake at this point.
You should have been.
You know the cap's on that, right?
Yeah, no, I'm done anyway. I was just checking it up close, you know what I mean? So, blah! As y'all can see, we got the bottom off right here. We got the top off right here. If anyone wants this, pay for shipping, I'll send it to you. It's weird how much people want, man. I ripped in half a Supreme sticker and I had about 30 DMs on Instagram like, man, could I have that? Could I have that Supreme sticker? Yeah, I sent it out to them. I thought it was hilarious.
Even I get a lot of DMs like, hey, can you tell the name brand that I want this? I'm like, I will not say that.
Now our next goal, unfortunately, is to cut off. This is a real Gucci slide. You guys can do the legit check. I made a Healy, which was very sick, and then I broke my nose doing that video.
I remember that.
Hype.
Yeah.
Dope video. We're gonna cut this off. We're gonna paste this on for the dopest creation ever, and guess what? We're gonna send this out to somebody at the end of this video. I've been sending out a lot of stuff, and I was paying for shipping on everything, and it's got me broke. So if you guys want to win this once it's done, leave a thumbs up down below, a comment down below, and follow both Instagrams right here. I'll send it out to you. Just pay for shipping.
Mine's gonna be right here?
Yeah, it's gonna be there.
Oh my
somewhere,
god.
bro. I got you.
Thank you.
Yo, I'll rip it. I'll rip it. I'll rip it.
Do it. Nice. A lot of you guys think that Brandon films these videos in like an hour or less. We've been here for 2 hours, and he's still trying to cut this off.
We forgot the hot knife, bro. I've been working at this.
You could have just gone home and gotten a hot knife, and it would have been fine. It would have been done like 30 minutes ago.
Whatever, man. Never give up, kids. Never give up. Boys, you almost there. It's been a little while now. The gun show is popping. I want to tell y'all a little story, though, man. A little inspirational uplift for y'all. It might be hard for you guys to imagine, but when I was younger, I never got laid. I was really fat. You know, I didn't have confidence at all. Actually, I had too much confidence. People thought I was cocky and fat, which you didn't like. Anyway.
Have you gotten laid yet?
Later in life, I'm not finished my story.
Okay,
Later in life, I keep pursuing, man. Keep pursuing to get laid. And I never give up. And I just want you guys to remember that.
And so you've gotten laid now at this point, right?
Not yet, but I'm not giving up.
I thought it's supposed to be inspirational. So you've been working at this for, God, 23 years now?
23 years. Yeah.
And you still haven't gotten it?
Hard work pays off.
But it hasn't paid off for you.
Yeah, but maybe when I'm 40.
I hope. So, Brandon's freaking out right now because this is turning out to be garbage. Like, you can't make this look good.
It was such a good idea in my head, bro. Fuck!
2 hours wasted.
That looks awful. That looks so bad.
Ugh.
Not everything can be great, boys. This is actually the moral of the story, Adam.
Yeah?
This is actually the moral of the story of what we were coming up with today. We thought of a dope sneaker custom that sounded like it would be great, and then we failed to show you guys that not everything can always be good.
This right after that inspirational speech?
That not everything can always be good. Okay, so I'm gonna say that part and then just, because you cut me off there, so I need to insert my clip and then say something inspirational, go along with it. That not everything can always be good.
Everything can't always be good.
You sound like a cult member, but we gonna make this good and y'all will see in a second.
It's been 2 hours too.
Yeah.
It's been a lot. This is not worth my time at this point, dude.
Yeah, mine either, man.
It's so bad.
Looks awful. Shit.
What are you gonna title the video?
Well, I was gonna title like, is that on? I was gonna title like Canada's best fake sneaker market or something because I plugged that like in the video, like when we were down here. I called it that.
And this is representative of the best fake market in Canada.
Something like that, bro.
Oh, God.
Yeah, man. Alright, well, I'm gonna go home and then do the outro.
Okay.
Why is that even recording?